Ito yung SM Dasmariñas Cavite. Ito yung sa loob. Wait lang. Ito naman yung entrance no, sa labas ng SM Dasmariñas Cavite. So dito guys, sumakay na kami tapos nakita ko yung buong mall, ikotin namin kung gaano siya kalaki. Ito yung Dasmariñas guys, SM Dasmariñas Cavite. Shout out sa mga taga SM no, Dasmariñas Cavite. So ito na guys, ganito yung paligid niya. Ay, Cavite.
To kill the president, the first lady, and the former speaker of the House. Objection, Your Honor. What is the objection of counsel for respondent? Your Honor, no basis for the question, Your Honor.
Miho.
Overruled, witness may answer.
May I refer, sir, to my notes to identify the specific time stamp, sir?
Okay, so witness may do so if it is available to him. You may report here now. While he's doing that, Your Honor, may Senator Judge Alan Cayetano is recognized. You may proceed, sir.
Your Honor, may I question what note he is referring to?
Counsel for respondent.
Apologies,
The
Your Honor.
presiding officer recognized Senator Judge Alan Cayetano. You may proceed, sir.
Just some thoughts, presiding officer. This is not yet an appeal from your ruling and maybe a question to the counsel of the defense. Just to refresh our memory, Rule 132, Section 17, when part of the transaction, writing or record given in evidence, the remainder admissible. When part of an act, declaration, conversation, writing or record is given in evidence by one party, the whole of the same subject may be inquired into by the other. And when a detached act, declaration, conversation, writing or record is given in evidence, any act, declaration, conversation, writing or record necessary to its understanding may also be given in evidence. So I'm not appealing yet. I see the logic of the ruling of the presiding officer. Ito lang po ang tanong ko, is the defense going to ask later on for the showing of the whole video? Because if they are, why don't we just watch the whole of it? Because we're going to have to assess the context. If it was really a threat, what did on a 2-minute clip and then come back next week to watch the 2-hour clip. I think most of us saw parts of the clip. Of course, I don't also feel like watching the 2-hour, I don't even watch 2.5-hour movies, much less this. But I'm just putting this at the feet of the presiding officer and my colleagues na kung gagawin din naman natin eventually yung 2.5 hours, mas gusto ba natin putulin muna ngayon at may iniisip tayo and then later on the 2 hours, or can the two parties agree of the 2.5 hours which one yung may context? So I'm not criticizing the prosecution's motion. I see what you mean. May I ask that one question to the defense if they're going to ask presiding officer? Precisely.
For the presiding officer, we cannot dictate nor